هغه دلته ښه وخت لري. He has a good time here. He has a good time here. زه د هغه سره نوره ګزاره نشم کولی. I can't get on with him. I can't get on with him. ستا به ډیره مهرباني وي. It is so kind of you. It is so kind of you. ته باید په غریب پاملرنه وکړې. You should take care of poor. You should take care of poor. ما په خپل ژوند کې هیڅ کله غلا نه ده کړې. I have never stolen in my life. I have never stolen in my life. هغه د هغوی یوازینۍ لور ده. She is their only daughter. She is their only daughter. سلګونه خلک له لوبغالي څخه ستانه شول. Hundreds of people returned away from the stadium. Hundreds of people returned away from the stadium. ولې ستاسې ټول پر ما انتقاد کوئ؟ Why are you all turning on me? Why are you all turning on me? څوک به موږ ته اضافي پیسې راکړي؟ Who is going to stamp up the extra money? Who is going to stamp up the extra money? د هغې ښۍ سترګې نظر کم ده. She has very little sight in his right eye. She has very little sight in his right eye. هغه له سپي څخه ویریږي. She is afraid of dog. She is afraid of dog. زه له تا خفه یم. I am done of you. I am done of you. دا د هغه مهرباني وه. This is a nice of him. This is a nice of him. ته د پلار سم زوی. Which number are you, son of your father? Which number are you, son of your father? زه به بیا در سره وګورم. I will see you then. I will see you then. دا یو په زړه پورې کلتور دی. That is an interesting culture. That is an interesting culture. مهرباني وکړه په سیټ کې کېنه. په امریکنۍ لهجه کې یا لانګویج کې موږ دا رقم ته ویلی شو Please take a seat. دا امریکن سنټنس ده. مهرباني وکړه په سیټ کې کېنه. Please take a seat. په بریټش کې بیا دا رقم ته ویلی شو Please have a seat. مهرباني وکړه په سیټ کې کېنه. دا هغه او زما نوم یو شان ده. He is my namesake. He is my namesake. د هغې خاوند په زندان کې 3 کاله تیر کړل. Her husband spent 3 years in prison. Her husband spent 3 years in prison. ډزې د شپې شروع شوې. Fire broke out during the night. Fire broke out during the night. زه په تا خفه یم. I am disappointed on you. I am disappointed of you. د اوس لپاره همدا بس ده. That's enough for now. That's enough for now. له نوم او د ځای پته دې راکړه. Give me your name and address. Give me your name and address.